if you are watching this video right now, it's because you're either watching the playlist from the beginning to the end, or you came across this video somewhere else. If you haven't watched this in the playlist that I have on my YouTube channel that shows you how to turn this $25 side hustle into a full-time income, you're not going to understand anything in this video. So your best bet is to go back to the playlist, start at the very beginning of that playlist with the first video and watch them all the way through so you can make an informed decision about if you're ready to start making money online or not full time. Okay, so it's very important that you watch that playlist all the way through from beginning to end. The very first video is going to be an overview of the playlist. That's going to show you exactly what I'm going to go over in the playlist. The second video is kind of long, digital marketing in action, but what you are going to want to do is pay attention mainly to this video because it's going to show you a high-level overview of what it is we do and what you get access to, okay? Then the third video, training site overview, I show you all about the training site. I'm going to go over a little bit more in this video. This is going to be the vault overview. The next one, the video right after the training site interview, is going to be exactly what you get over 1,000 pieces of content in the vault. And also this a full-time income in less than 1 hour per day video number 5. This is what I do, the daily, day-to-day, what we do, how I utilize the information in the vault, and actually what I do on a daily basis. That's what this video shows you. So I just wanted to throw that one in there. So if anybody was like still confused on what it is we actually do, this video will show you that. Okay. Now this video right now, what I want to go over with you is your bonuses in the team training site. You're going to have a section that says bonuses. These are a lot of things that are very, very useful to you that are just included with that are included with everything. So you don't have to pay extra or anything for these. You don't have to pay extra for anything, right? All of this stuff is all part of the package, okay? This is going to give you an overview. Then you got your live weekly trainings. Look, we go live on our Facebook group, over 6,000 members in our Facebook group, which you'll get plugged into right off the bat. I'll plug you in there as soon as you get started. But if you can't make the live trainings at 10 a.m. Eastern United States time, Monday through Friday, if you can't make those, you can go to the replays either on Facebook or you can come here and they're all laid out real nice and neat for you in here. Then you got the 10-part training series, the team rotator. This, you're going to want to know how the team rotator works. I mean, I didn't really go over this because it's not important to actually know it. It's just automatic. Once you get signed up, you're already plugged into the rotator. I've gotten a bunch of rotator sales, so it's not really important if you don't want to if you don't get time to do this one. It's not really all that big a deal, but I recommend if you do get time to actually check it out. Social Mastery Blueprint. Now these courses right here, I don't want you to think, oh, courses, I'm going to have to sell courses. You don't. These are just bonus courses that are included for you to utilize if you want to. You don't have to go out there and sell these. I've never once went out there and said anything about selling one of these courses. Okay, so you don't have to sell these courses. They're just very useful tools that are included for you. All right, Social Mastery Blueprint is going to show you how to master social media. Okay, YouTube University is going to show you exactly how to utilize YouTube to grow your business, right? YouTube Shorts, that's just going to show you specifically how to use YouTube Shorts. Instagram training shows you how to use Instagram. Some very good information in there. Scalability Pro, this is going to show you how to scale any business to a 5-figure a month income business. Mindset Mastery. Now, if there is only one of these things that you want to utilize, this is it. Because listen, guys, it is not going to be all sunshine and roses, right? If you think about Jeff Bezos and Bill Gates, and I guess you could throw Mark Cuban in there. But if you think about those guys, these billionaire guys that have more money than, any one person should, they didn't get there easily. It wasn't just skipping along the yellow brick road and they got billions of dollars, right? These guys, it's human nature to, when you come up against an adversarial situation or when you come up against an obstacle, it's human nature to take the easy road and just give up. Right? It's human nature to take your foot off the gas instead of going outside of your comfort zone. It's human nature to slow down whenever something gets hard and just give up, right? It's comfortable to say no. It's comfortable to say, I'm not going to do this. But you're not going to get anywhere like that. If you want to be successful, if you want to get to that point where you can have billions of dollars and own your own jet, and I mean, if I had $1 billion, I wouldn't own a jet. But if that's what you want, whatever it is, you're going to come up against obstacles. You're going to come up against a situation where your mindset is going to need to be focused. Your mindset is going to need to push you through that situation. The work is easy, but the mindset to keep you focused on doing that work is difficult to maintain. And this right here, this mindset mastery, this will show you how to do that. It's very good. So if there's one thing that you need to utilize first, I recommend this. All right. Craigslist posting software. I don't really utilize this because you have to pay for the Craigslist posting. You can do that if you want to. A lot of people are very successful with it. I haven't utilized it a lot just because, like I said, it's not free. So I just didn't get into it. I didn't really need it, but I might look into it soon here. But that's there if you want. It's going to show you all about how to post on Craigslist, how to get your link out there. It's just another tool to get your link out there and share your business out there, right? So this is like I was saying before, this is your own home business. This is going to be up to you. What you utilize and what you don't is completely up to you. But I highly recommend you utilize this mindset mastery. Okay, so it's very important that you have that mindset. It's very easy work. You get your link, you share your link, and you make money. Kind of got off on a tangent there, and I apologize for that. But there is another thing I wanted to show you, and that is the myEcon back office. Okay, so this is the membership area. Now, there are different levels of membership, and I'm going to go over that in the next video. We went over it in the long video that does the whole business overview, but there are different levels. An elite business membership, that's the highest level. EBM, you're going to see that. EBM is an elite business membership. That is the highest level that you can get, and it gives you absolute access to every single one of myEcon's products. What you get access to is the income shifting software. This is going to show you how to fix your W-4 form. If you have a job, you're going to want to utilize this to make sure that you're not overpaying your taxes with the government, right? You're going to need to utilize that. My Credit System, this is going to show you how to increase your credit score. Now, this is a do-it-yourself credit repair system, so you don't have to give your information to some shady third party. This will give you everything that you need. It'll show you what you need to do, when you need to do it, how you need to do it, where you need to do it, and absolutely everything about it. It is a very useful system. I utilized it, made my credit score go from a 510 to a 778. Very incredible, very useful system. Travel membership. I used to not travel because it was too expensive, right? Now we travel all the time, mainly because we got all the time on our hands that we want. But this travel membership gives you deep discounts, up to 70% discounts over the other main travel sites, right? And they give you 110% price match guarantee if you find that price cheaper anywhere else, which you won't. Trust me, you won't. Defender Plus, this is like ID lock. You put your information in here and it's going to tell you any time that your information shows up on the web on any shady sites or anything like that. Also, I put my address in here. This place monitors everything for me. I put all my information in here. And I got a notification yesterday that there was a sex offender that moved into my neighborhood. I mean, they monitor everything, and it's very useful. Debt elimination, obviously it's going to show you how to eliminate debt if you got credit card loans, that kind of stuff. All right, you got minimized taxes. This is going to show you all about taxes and how to utilize the tax system. Cash flow manager, cash flow strategist. This is going to show you how to manage your cash flow, basically, and how to strategize and budget your money. Basically, stick to a budget. And then we also have investment education training that's going to show you what to do with all that money that you're making and saving. Guys, I cannot speak more highly of this opportunity. Don't think that you have to have millions or billions of dollars to utilize a financial company, be it some kind of financial planning company or a financial management company. You don't need to be a millionaire to utilize these things, okay? This is for regular, everyday people like you and me. This is for people that, want to build and grow money, right? This is what I wanted. I was tired of living paycheck to paycheck. That's why I got started on this. And now that's what I do. And it's incredible, guys. And I know you can do this too. Right here, these reports, these are different reports. The team sales report, sponsorship viewer, bonus report, team generation reports. Like these show you all about your business. It's basically a whole back-end system. So the funnel team, we give you a full front-end marketing system, right? That's the app and everything that we went over in the team training site. All of that is for the funnel team. This is specifically from myEcon. this back office. So it's basically a business from front to back. They give you everything that you need to run your business. Document center, this is going to give you all the documents and stuff. They give us a lot of stuff to advertise our business just specifically from myEcon. So you not only have the vault with 1,000 pieces of content that you get through the funnel team when you join through me, but myEcon offers everybody that's a member with myEcon access to all of this stuff. Okay. So all of this has gone over once you get started and you go through the actual individual training videos. All of this has gone over in detail. So I just wanted to show this to you really quickly. The next video in this playlist is going to be the last one, and it is going to show you exactly every dollar that you're going to need to spend, okay, which isn't much, but you're not going to incur another charge other than what I'm going to go over in that next video. So it's very important that you watch that next video. Make sure you hit the like button for me here. If you got value from this, please hit that subscribe button so you get notified whenever I put more content out about myEcon or the funnel team or making money online. I'd really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. If you have any questions or anything like that, my phone number, email, grabthislink.com. You can message me through any one of those. Anytime you have any questions at all, please reach out to me. If you want to talk, if you want to chat, if you have any questions, or if you want to go out and have lunch, I'll see you out there.